In the previous tutorial, we learnt how to define local fields already suggested in the database. But what if you want to record some information that is not asked for at all, but is important for your work? This is called entering a user-defined field. Let's take an example. I have noticed there is nowhere to record the education level of a client, and I want to change this. So, I need to enter a user-defined field on education. To do this, go to Settings, click on Application Settings, and then choose User-Defined Field Settings. I have not added any new fields yet, but if I had, they would show in the list here. Click on the Add New button to add a field. This opens to the blank form. First, you need to select the module where you want this new user field to appear, which for me is the client record. Then type the label or title of this field. For me, education. Now you need to choose the field type. This will define how the user is able to enter the information, whether they can type freely, choose from a selection of radio buttons, checkboxes, etc. If you choose free text box, nothing more needs to be added. You can press save and the process is complete. If you choose any of the other field types, however, you also need to now define the answers that you will give the user to choose from. I have chosen to use a drop-down menu as I have a few different education options to give them. Clicking Add Label for Controllers now lets me add these answer options. Primary is the first answer I want to enter, so I just type it in the box and then click Add Label for Controllers to continue adding more answer options. When creating these options, make sure the list that the user can choose from covers all areas they might need, and that there is an opt-out option, such as unknown or not applicable.
Click Save when you are done, and the page will now return to the list view where you can see a screen message confirms your action. Buttons to edit or delete this new user field can be found on the right-hand side of the screen. If you now go to the Clients tab and click Add New, you will see that this new user field has now been added to the client record. This is one of the reasons why you should be very careful about adding new user-defined fields, because once associated with records, they're not very easy to delete. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching.